These will definitely melt in the mouth, chaps. And you can see we've got a perfect medium on that. Super juicy, great bark. So I'm very happy with the way those turned out. Cool, so we're going to be doing these lamb racks on the Masterbuilt portable smoker and grill. These lamb racks have come from Holy Cow in Cambridge. Awesome grass-fed products on their own farms that are sold in the shop. You can see they've actually done a lot of trimming, so they've taken the fat cap off, but what we want to do is remove that silver skin that you see here. So we're just going to get the knife under this and we're going to point that to the sky. So you can see there's no silver skin on those. Really nice clean bones. So we're just going to take a little bit of water. Just want to cover all of that protein. And that's how you want your lamb rack looking. Full coverage of your rub. And that's going to create a really nice little bark in a short cook. Cool, so our pit is running at just over 250, which is perfect for a reverse sear for a lamb rack. So we're just going to pop these in indirect, as far away from the firebox as I can, because these are very delicate cuts of meat. And we're going to be cooking those to about 130 internal before we rest. And then we'll ramp that temperature up on the pit and sear those off. Okay, so these lamb racks have been in there for probably about 20 minutes now, so we're just going to check that internal temperature. They're at about 130 degrees, which is perfect. And we're just going to rest those for about 20 minutes before we sear them off. So we're literally going to put those straight onto this Masterbuilt now. We've got that roaring at about 550 degrees Celsius, and we're just going to sear those off. Pretty happy with the colour on these lamb racks now. So we're just going to get those off and we'll give those a bit of a slice. And you can see we've got a perfect medium on that. Super juicy, great bark. So I'm very happy with the way those turned out.